2003 Oldsmobile Bravada, and we have no blower motor function right now. So we're going to take these two screws off from the left and the right down here and get this kick panel going. Key on, blower motor all the way to high. We come underneath here, kick panel's off. I unplugged the wiring harness from the blower motor right here. And we're going to test for power here to make sure we're getting power so we know if it's the blower motor or something else. Wiring checks out, so we know it's the blower motor. If you look up in there, there's 3 golden screws. Let's see if we can get a look. There's 1, 2, 3. And we're just going to zip those 3 out. And that blower motor is going to fall right out for us. Easy one to do. This is a redesigned motor. Old one had some leaves and stuff in it. See, this actually has a pigtail coming out of it instead of it being right in the motor like that. And put your gasket on, it actually kind of like hugs and snaps in. We got this breather tube here, motor vent, whatever you want to call it. And all we got to do is put it up in there and zip our 3 screws in, put the kick panel back on, and you're done. Easy one, guys.